Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So you guys know when I love something, I tell you about it, even of course, even if it's not about makeup or hair, it can be about whatever, because I need to tell someone. And I tell my husband, of course, so where I buy it and he's like, oh, this is cool, but telling you guys is exciting. So about a month and a half ago, when we first moved to Florida, in our shower, there's nowhere to put your shampoo, all that stuff. So I haven't had a shower caddy for years, probably almost a decade. It's at least over 5 years. Guys, this shower caddy, amazing. Okay, so it is the OXO aluminum 3-tier shower caddy. It also comes in 2 tiers. So the 3 tier is the one that I'm going to be showing you. It retails for $49.99. It is rust proof anodized aluminum, and it keeps your shower clean and organized. It is maximize shower time with the aluminum 3-tier shower caddy. Rust proof, and it accommodates a variety of shower staples with removable trays for easy cleaning, drain slots to prevent water pooling, and built-in hooks to hold razors or loofahs. Enjoy secure, yes, this thing has not moved, guys. Tool-free installation with the stronghold hook and adjustable suction cups. So at the bottom, you have a suction that you push in that keeps it held onto the shower. Guys, I love this thing. I forget it's even, like, I know it's there because I'm reaching for stuff off of it, but it's not something, I don't know if you guys remember from your college years or just even as an adult, you get a shower caddy and it falls down if you move the shower head. It falls down even if you don't move the shower head. If you bump into it, it falls down. It just falls down. It just comes down, and you're consistently pushing it back up because that's what you do, and it rusts. This has not rusted. This is not fallen down. This has not done any of that in the last month and a half, and I was like, this thing is amazing. This thing is awesome. So the 2-tier one is basically just take off the top level, and then it's just two with the where you put the soap, and then where you can put other items, and that retails for $29.99. This is really short video, but guys, this shower caddy is amazing. And in the shower today, I was like, man, this is great. I gotta tell my people about this. So I'm telling you about it because it's fabulous. And so yeah, it's the best shower caddy I've ever had. So I hope that helps you guys figure out if you're in need of a shower caddy, or you have one that's just not working out and you've been looking for another one. Hopefully this helps you out. So yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing Sunday. Thank you so much for watching. Short video, I know, and I will see you next time. Bye. Yeah, the shower caddy, amazing.